Take a ride in the 2019 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru, and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels. Your new ride is just a phone call away.